Hi guys, my name is Aleesia and I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can use my favorite highlighter palette to create more dimension to the skin as well as give you more glow. The palette I'm going to be using today is Hyper Real Glow from MAC Cosmetics. We have 2 different shades to choose from. We have Flash and Awe, and we also have Get It Glowin'. So this is the palette I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using my 219 pencil brush just to apply the center shade. So just placing this product onto my inner corner, being very precise with my placement, and you'll see the difference from this eye compared to that eye. This looks much more awake. I'm going to be using my 239 brush just to swipe a little bit of sparkle onto the center of the lid as well. And I'm going to be using a Fix Plus spray. This is the Magic Radiance. I'm going to wet my brush with this. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here. So because I wet my brush with a Fix Plus spray, it's going to intensify the color and sort of make it more metallic. I'm going to be using the same brush and dipping into this color right here. And we're going to take this down the center of the nose. So now highlighting the face. I'm also going to maybe go in with my finger and just tap that. Just tapping it down the center of my nose. Pressing this product in with the fingers as well can kind of melt it and adhere it to the skin a little bit better, make it look a little bit more natural rather than it just sitting on the surface of the skin. Next, I am going to grab a little bit of this color and the one in the center as well, and we're going to highlight just underneath the brow to make the brow bone look a little bit more higher. And I'm also going to take this and go just above my brow as well. I have prepped my lip already using the Cherry Lip Pencil as well as MAC Mash, which is our Powder Kiss lipstick that's going to keep us matte but hydrated. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this highlighter palette just on the center of the lip to emphasize the shape, make it look a little bit more pouty, as well as give us a little bit more glow as well. So going in with these 2 shades and just using my fingers now so that it melts into the lip really nicely and seamlessly, and picking up just a tiny bit of product at a time. I'm going to spritz my face with a little bit of Fix Plus Magic Radiance just so that it has something for the highlighter to grab onto and melt into the skin a little bit more easier as well. Spritzing my entire face, and I'm going to let that dry for a couple of seconds and then apply the highlighter over. I am going to use a little bit of this shade and this one and sort of layer it onto my cheekbones. Now going back and forth into all 3 shades. Placing my highlight just on the tops of my cheekbones and using my brush to blend back and forth. And you want to make sure you're putting just a little bit of product on at a time so that you can add more if you wanted to. It gives you sort of like a natural glow to the skin. Okay, so we're going to amp it up a little bit, taking all 3 of the shades, bringing a little bit of glow to the chest areas. And here we have the completed look using my favorite Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC Cosmetics, as well as my 3 favorite brushes to apply. And this is going to give you the glow that you need for this summer.